Okay, here are the notes. Here are the notes for, let's look at that problem again. For these problems that we're going to get, they're going to look like, a system is going to look like this. Negative 6y minus 28 is equal to negative 2x. And what is this? Negative 5y, bless you, minus 2 plus 7x equals 0. Oh my God, this is a mess. It's okay. So what we're going to get into now is working with a system like this. It's not arranged. It doesn't look nice. It doesn't look easy because it's not what we're used to, right? So we're going to learn to rearrange and manipulate rearrange each equation into what they call standard form. Standard form. What is this? What is standard form? You're not going to remember the name. Well, there's standard form and then there's general form, and you're going to get into all that when you get to Algebra 2. But standard form means the standard form of an equation means that it's this. It looks like this. AX plus BY equals C. Does that look like something that's familiar?
Yes.
Yeah. Isn't this the way we've been seeing our systems of equations? Where we have the x's here, right? These would be these a, b, and c's, they call them constants. So these will be your numbers. Your a would be something like a 3x there. A is going to be a number, right? B is going to be another number, 3x plus 2y equals, and then your other capital letter C will be another number. Isn't that the way you've been seeing these systems?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if you look at this equation is not in standard form. I would have to have the x here first. Remember, and I don't know why this worksheet does it. This assignment that you're going to do, notice that the x is first, and they always want this number here positive. So the x is first, and then the y, and then the other number over here, right? That number by itself. So x is what? I don't know why, but for this assignment, they always want the x to be positive. So let's do a really easy one. Let's start with a really easy one. So the directions are going to say, write the standard form. See, there's that word again. Standard. And you're like, what's standard form? Well, this is standard form. Your equation must be written and changed and manipulated and rearranged to look like this. Write the standard form and blah, blah, blah of each line. Okay. We'll start with the first one. Negative 2x plus 6y is equal to negative 10. Is that in standard form?
No.
What the?
It is not.
Okay. Here's where you're both right. It is in standard form. It is, because I have the x and the y. I have the x and the y on this side. The x is first and then the y. And then the numbers over here. Yes? Everybody agree? Yeah, everything's in the right place. But I'm telling you, for this worksheet, for this assignment, they want this. I don't know why. I looked at all the answers, but they want this first leading term, which is the a value, the number in front of x. They want it to be positive. Is it positive right now? No. So they're just being picky about it. So can you tell me how to write this so that this is positive? What would you do? I mean, Does everybody agree you're going to multiply negative 1 to all of these?
Yeah.
So really what's just going to happen? You can do this in your head. What's going to happen? You just change all the signs. I've already taught you that. 2x, and that'll be a minus 6y is equal to what? A positive 10. Okay, then that would be the end. Okay, this is an easy one. Number 1, so easy. Everybody agree? Okay. So again, yeah, these were in the right place. This was in the right place, but I'm telling you, the one for the assignment today, I don't know why they want this x to be positive. So we're just going to do it that way. Okay, let's do it. Let's go quick now. Number 2. What about negative 4 plus 3x equals negative 5y? Is this in standard form? Well, heck no. What do you think we got to do? And I'm going to copy it over. I don't want to touch this. So I want to keep my original given equation intact. Yeah, we got to move things around. Some things I want on this side of the equal sign. Some things I want. Which ones need to move? Everybody agree the 5y needs to go over here with the x? And everybody agree this negative 4 needs to go over here? To the other side of the equation? Okay, so talk to me. What's going to be left on this side?
3x.
A positive 3x? Yes. 3. Oh, good. It's positive. I want it positive. 3x, and then what? You better not put minus 5y. Because if it's minus 5y here, but it moves to this side, it's positive 5y equals to what? Positive 4, yeah? Is this new? No, I told you already know how to do it. Now, is this in standard form? Yes. That's it. Done. That's it. You're just rearranging it and kind of setting it up so that we have it the way we want, right? The way we're... Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Dean.
So, like, for number 1...
Going back to number 1.
Yeah, I was going to say, so, you said it was technically correct in standard form, but not? So, like, the x can't be negative?
Yeah, just on this worksheet. But when you're doing your work, you'll see, like, well, not tomorrow if we do the test tomorrow, but the next assignment that's going to come up, you can leave it negative. As long as you got the x's and the y's on this side and the number on that side. Good question. Everybody good? Okay, let's go quicker now because I think you got it. Yeah? 3. What about negative 6x plus 20 equals 5y? Okay, so how do you show your work? Because I know you're going to do this and you're going to show your work and you're not just going to write the answer. I don't want to see that. So show me the way I'm showing you, the way I do here, the way I teach, so that you guys can understand what's happening. Use the circles and use the arrows. What needs to move and what needs to stay?
5y.
You want to move the 5y? Yes. This way? Yes. Okay, if you say. Okay, I'm going to go that way. And that's it? And then the 20 over there? Okay. Now there's a different way to do it, but that's cool. This is not wrong. I'll go with what you guys are talking about. Does everybody agree this is going to be negative 6x? What? Minus 5y equals negative 20. This is correct. But I'm telling you, when you check, this is okay and this is correct. But I'm telling you, when you look at your worksheet today, that's not going to be the answer. That's not. Can you guys remind me why? Bilal, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Why is it not going to be? It's not going to match the answer in the worksheet because what? They want the x to be positive. So what's another similar equation to this one? Now, do you guys agree that if I move this 6x over there, it'll be positive 6x? I'm just showing you another thing, another way to look at it. Does everybody true that if this is negative and I move it that way, it's positive? Yeah. And I move this over there, it's going to be positive? And then I move that 20 over here, it's going to be this way? Yeah. Isn't that the same equation? Yeah. It's the same equation. right? But, hi. Lucero? Is Lucero here? Yeah, she's here. Okay. But we don't want the number over here and this over here, right? It's like doing this. I don't know why people get this. Okay. There's a difference between getting something and moving it to the other side or doing something like this. Look. Everybody look here. If I put 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What's another way to write 2 plus 3 is equal to 5? No.
5 equals 3 plus 2.
I just write this on this side and this on this side. You guys agree?
Yeah.
Did I move the 2 and move it to that side and make it negative? No. I just got this side and put it over here on the part on the left and put it on the right. I put this on the right. I put it on the left. It's the same thing. That's what's happening here, okay? Don't think I'm... Where did I do with it? Okay, attendance office. Okay, are we good? 4. 4. 0 is equal to what? 60 plus... I mean, we're going to go quick now. Okay. Go ahead, do that one and show some work here, what you're doing, what's going on. So don't do it here. Copy it again and show me some arrows and what's moving, what's staying. Okay. See, all of these that we've been looking at, they've been all different. They've been all different. But if you know what the final product needs to be, you're going to know what to move and what not to move. Yeah? Okay, what do you think? Wait. This is too easy. You should be done in 2 steps. Do I want everything on one side equal to 0? No, I don't want everything on one side and equal it to 0. And nothing on this side, right? Nothing means 0. Oh, you know what? I'm glad you brought that up. Wouldn't it be easy just to move the 60 over here? Yes. Yeah. But then do I want the y first and then the x? No. So actually, I'm going to pay attention. Yeah, why don't we move this over there? And isn't that going to make the x positive? And that'll kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone, like they say. Would you guys agree we want to move these 2 over there? Okay, and if you do that, and at the same time, the x will be positive. So I got this. I got 21x minus 15y equals what? Okay, we're good now? I think you're getting it. I think you got it. Okay. You think you got it? If I put the next one, you're going to get it? Yeah. Let's bet. Bet me right now. 100 points on your test. No. If you get it right, I'll give you 100 points. Extra. Who's gonna wanna? Okay, here it goes. Here, number 5. I saw who raised their hands. I'm gonna go check your work. 5. Y is equal to negative 4/3 x minus 5. Oh yeah. What'd you think? It was gonna be easy? Hell no. Because fractions are a part of life. Okay, here we go. Are you exactly 5 foot tall? No. Are you exactly 6 foot tall? No. Okay then. Here we go. Yes, Dean.
Minus 5, minus 5 equals negative 4/3x, and plus 5.
Mister, you only move one thing and it's still negative 4/3.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna have to go back to the beginning because I forgot to say something. Remember these notes right here that I told you that x has to be positive? I forgot to tell you this, sorry. These A, B, and C numbers cannot be fractions. They have to be integers. It has to be a positive or a negative number. It can't be fractions. Which is great because we don't want fractions anyway, okay? So, I'm going to tell you how to get rid of a fraction. We actually already learned this. Thank you. Which one's the fraction? Tell me. If you can tell me which one's a fraction. X is a fraction? Oh my God. No. Which one's the fraction? Now, is it the -4? What if the problem just said -4x minus 5? Is the -4 the fraction part? No. Does everybody agree it's the 3? It's like the bottom part, the denominator. It's the 3. So guess what? What are we going to do to get rid of a 3? Multiply by a 3. Remember that? If this is the one on the top, which is like 3, is like 3 over 1. 3 is like 3 over 1, and this 3 is in the bottom. Remember that? Okay, but before we get excited and try to get this answer here, if you multiply this term by 3, you have to do it to everything and all of them on all sides. Everything gets tripled up. Everything gets multiplied by 3. After that, you're going to be on easy street. Who could tell me what's the next equation after multiplying by 3? 3y is equal to? You guys are, whoa. Wait. We multiplied by 3 for a reason. What was the reason? Because if I multiply this by 3, they cancel, they divide out. If they divide out, do I still have a 3 here that I have to multiply to this 4? No. When you multiply by 3, boom, that's gone. So what's left? Just the -4x. Don't multiply by 3 and then don't multiply by 3 and then they cancel, but then multiply a 3 to the 4. Don't do that. You guys see what I'm telling you? Does everybody agree we're not going to have any fractions anymore? What's going to be left? This. No more fractions. And is that in standard form? Okay, how many moves? How many moves? 3 moves? Everybody agree you just move that way and you're done? So we want the x first, right? So write it 4x plus 3y equals. All right, I think we can handle fractions now from now on. Anytime you see a fraction in an equation, get rid of it. Yes, Dean?
Sure. You didn't tell us about the thing you put on Padlet, the second one. The first one you put on Padlet.
You're talking about the Padlet?
Oh, no, yeah, but like you said you were going to explain it.
You're talking about the Padlet?
No, like the one you put after, like showing us, like, oh, this is. Yes.
This is what I'm going over.
Oh, I thought you kind of like saw it, like the other one, like put a.
No, we're not you guys understand we're not solving right now anything? Right now we're just rearranging an equation. That's all we're doing. We're not solving systems right now that have these yet. That's going to be for either tomorrow if we don't do the test tomorrow or for next week. Okay, let's move on. Here we go. 6. Okay, do this one by yourself. 6. Y is equal to 2. Oh, sorry. Y is equal to 2/5 x minus 3. I want you to change that. That is not in standard form. That's actually in slope-intercept form. Remember when we graphed lines? We want it to look like this. I don't want this form right now. I want to convert it into standard form. But if I see a fraction, that's my first objective is to get rid of fractions. I don't want fractions. I'm not working with fractions. Okay, what do we multiply everything by? A 2, a 5, a 3, a what?
5.
The bottom, the denominator number. Everybody agree we're multiplying everything by 5? Everything, every term, whether it's a number or not, everything gets multiplied by 5. And do you guys agree that here they're going to cancel?
Yeah.
Okay, they're gone. Okay, then I think you could see what's going to happen. It's going to be what? 5y is equal to? 2x minus what? Minus 3? Oh, I thought somebody said 3. 5 times 3, 15. All right, that's it. That's equation in standard form? No. No. So let's think. Do we want to move the negative 2 over here to be with the y? You could, and it wouldn't be wrong. If you do that, you'd have negative 2x plus 5y equals negative 15. Which is not wrong, but remember for this worksheet, they want this one to be what? Okay, so that or what? Well, just don't remember we just switched the signs here. We could just switch the signs. What is that going to be? 2x. That's going to be the same thing. Okay, last one, or you got it? Last one, or you think you got it? No more examples?
No more.
I think you got it. One more?
No.
Nah. Okay.